The world keeps changing, sometimes faster than we can follow. For many, technology is simple, but for others like Lola Riri, it feels like a language they never taught. She grew up with a hard work, not a high-tech. With handwritten letters, not instant messages. In a world that demands digital skills, she began to wonder, paano na ako? Digital literacy is more than knowing how to use a gadget. It is understanding the modern world, how to access services, how to communicate, how to be part of the community. But because Lola Riri never had a chance to learn,
kailangan ko ng appointment bago po kayo makapasok.
Mag-create account ako.
Opo.
Tagal naman kasi na pa ako naghihintay dito. Sa listening.
Kailangan ko talaga ng appointment.
simple tasks become daily battles. Bills, appointments, even sending message all suddenly feels impossible. Digital literacy means being able to use technology safely and confidently. It means knowing how to search, how to use reliable informations, how to protect yourself online. It is one of the most important life skills today, but not everyone starts at the same place. Learning something new at her age isn't easy. It takes patience, it takes humility, and it takes someone willing to guide you. But slowly, click by click, Lola Riri discovered that technology isn't her enemy.
Yeah.
It's a bridge.
Open camera.
Yes. Opo, parang tapat mo lang po.
Eto. Ito. Ano to? Ito yung
Ayan po yung pindutin mo po.
Little victories become a big steps. With each new skills, her world expands.
Kamusta na kayo?
Kayo po, kamusta na po kayo?
She can now talk to her family anytime. She can find information on her own. She can save time, avoid long lines, and stay updated. Technology no longer frightens her. Instead, it empowers her. Digital literacy changed her life, not by making her techie, but by giving her a choice, independence, confidence, and connection.
Ay, ang bata. Ay, tignan mo naman yan. Ang ganda naman ito.
For people like Lola Riri, learning digital skills isn't just about convenience. It's about dignity, a chance to participate, a chance to belong.
Ayun na. Lola. Tignan mo, pag ganito na kayo.
There are millions like Lola Riri, left behind by a world that keeps evolving, but no one is too old to learn, and no one should be left out. Digital literacy opens door for everyone. All it takes is a little guidance and the courage to try. Digital literacy empowers lives. Teach someone today.